Oracle installation on Linux. First, we need to log in with putty. Here, the login as root. I just resizing the putty. This is a root user, then password. Now we are at root user. So first, first I will add the configuration for yum configuration. So first we need to check the disk is connected or not. Just go to VM and click on the settings, and after that we can see the CD icon. Here we can see the device status connected. So we must have to connect this checkbox, and after that this is the VM or Red Hat Linux. I just want to log in with root user. So this is the home page. I just want to close this window. Here we can see the CD that we already connected. We already checked the disk, so that's why the disk is now available in desktop. So now another one is check settings. So connected, if not connected then connected by checked. Okay, this one is completed. Check disk files. So it is the by using these commands we will see the possible directories and their uses. Here we can see the gf-k is disk files, k is human readable. Here we can see the uh, cd directory run media root. So here we can see see this line. So this one is completed. Now change directory to run directory root Rhel 7.9 server. So I just want to change this directory by using the above line. So cd /run/media/root, then Rhel 7.9, then server. After hitting on enter key, now we are at the directory Red Hat Linux 7.9. Here we can see the possible files inside this directory. So here we can see the file directory packages, and another one is RPM-GPG-KEY-redhat-release. So now we will copy this two folder and file to another location. So let's see. Here we can see cd package. Now we will enter the package directory to install the possible RPMs for yum configuration. So let's see to change the directory first. Now we need to change the directory. We do not need to change directory. I just need to run this RPM. Here we can see file not found by globe VSTS. So we must have to land on package folder. So first we need to change the directory. cd / not / actually packages. Inside the package folder, now we can run this package RPM package installed successfully. Now another one is RPM IPA is delta RPM star. Now go to here, we run this command and another here we can see the message already installed. So this package is already installed. Now we install the python delta rpm. Copy this one and paste here. Just want to clear in the screen. Here we can see this package already exists. So another one is createrepo. IB is createrepo. Here the footy. So if I execute this one, here we can see this package already exists. And now we will install. We will create a new directory mkdir /repo outside the root directory. So mkdir /repo. Clear screen. Mkdir. Here the repo /repo created outside of root. So if I change this directory, run media root RECL 7.9 server 8684, and then copy the package and RPM-GPG KEY-redhat-release file from this location to repo. So need to go to change the directory first. We need to change remove the last slash. Okay, and after then just we need to change the directory first. So cd // here we can see Red Hat Linux. Now here we can see the possible files and package and RPM-GPG-KEY-redhat-release. We need to copy those two files to /repo directory. So let's copy this line to copy this file to repo. Let's go proceed. Here, if I run this command, our copy will start. After executing this line, I just want to see how many files in packages folder actually. So cd not slash actually, here we must have to only folder name. So packages, and after that we can see the possible packages inside this folder. I just want to clear in the screen. cd slash now we will execute the copy option. Here we can see the files inside packages folder. So we'll copy these two files. So I just want to copy this line and hit on enter key or copy started. So packages and reduce GPG key release, those two file folder and file uh, copying to /repo directory. In installation file copy both directory and file now completed. Now the another one is create repo. We need to execute this line for indicate the package slash repo slash package folder will be as a repo. So if we execute this snippet here, hitting on enter key, the repo creation will be started. First we need to go back to run, and then need to go back to outside of cd directory. Here we can see the repo directory. So we will land this repo directory repo. Now we are at repo directory. So now we will execute this line create repo slash database. So our slash repo slash packages folder will be as a repo for database. So our repo creation started. It will take a few moments. Our repo creation completed. Now we need to open this line by open the basic.repos folder repos file in vi mode, and then we need to copy and paste the below basic name base URL enable gpcheck gpg key this section in basic.repos file. So let's go to Qt by copying this line. I just want to clear in the screen. Here we see the directory file. Now we paste this one here. Actually we should not add a blank space before the line, so I just want to copy this line again, and here actually the same thing is happening again. So I need to copy this line after removing. So here it is. So I just want to save clone X or repo folder basic.repos created successfully or saved successfully. Now we check the repo list. Here we see an error repo list equal clone 0, means we maybe we mistaken our basic.repos file. So let's check and find the problem. Actually the problem was in the line vi etc yum. Actually this should be repo, not repos. So basic.repo, and after then we have another mistake. We need to fix this spell enabled, and then we need to add a clone because this is the file directory. So if I copy this one and paste in basic.repos file, we already done this I already done this changes in my basic.repos folder file. So you can change your by using this using copy the content. I will deliver this content. Now we check yum repo list. Here we can see the possible repos, basic repo list and repo ID. So here the repo name, my local repository. So everything created successfully. So this is the repo configuration or yum configuration.